Is the librarian of the past, the speaker of the present, the prophet of your future. Your attitude will dictate where you will be, not necessarily where you want to be. If you want to change your life, change your attitude. Second, second, there is nothing you can do with what happened in 2024. Wala na kayong magagawa doon. Ang nakain nyo na, nakain nyo na. Diba? Yung mga nilantakan ng mga tiyapa niyo, wala na kayong magagawa doon. A moment in your lips, forever in your lips. Wala na kayong magagawa doon. Diba? Namatayan ka man, nawalan ka man ng trabaho, nagkasakit ka man, binigo ka man, whatever happened in 2024, you cannot change it anymore. But hopefully, you can learn a lesson. Ang magandang tanong ay,